time this teaching, we have lots of friends that always ask us how to choose NC and CNC controller press brake. So today, we are in our workshop to share how to use our CT8 CNC controller and E21 NC controller to bend this kind of metal sheet. Okay, now follow me. This is E21 NC controller. For this controller, firstly, we must fix the y-axis volumes for the bending angle. We use the manual function to fix this y-axis. Please keep in mind, for this y-axis volume, we should make sure the thickness of the metal sheet and the VDI choice. Then we fix the y-axis. If any thickness and VDI changes, we should test the y-axis volume again in controller. Then we can program in the programs and remember each angle's y-axis insert in program is okay. So it's very easy to operate, right? Okay, now let's see how to make the three-step metal bending program in controller and bending process. Thank you. Okay, compare with E21 NC controller, let's show you this easy operate and amazing CT8P CNC controller. Firstly, we make some of the basic settings in the controller according to your metal materials and the thickness of the metal sheet, and choose your ideal VDI in programs. This is basic set. Then we can insert your ideal bending angle directly here and the x-axis for back gauge. Then the controller will automatically calculate the perfect bending status. It's very easy to operate, right? Now let's show you how to make this three-step bending step by step. After finish this two controller compare, we can know this CT8 CNC controller is more easy operate, high accuracy and more faster for bending, right? Do you want to know the one press brake price difference with these two controller? Please contact with us. Thank you.